Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn Suites Pittsburgh. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Sleep Inn Suites Pittsburgh is an all-suite extended stay property located just minutes from the Pittsburgh International Airport. IKEA, Mall at Robinson and Robison Town Center offer convenient shopping opportunities. This Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania hotel is close to the Benedum Center for the Performing Arts, Heinz Field, home of the Pittsburgh Steelers football team, PNC Park, home of the Pittsburgh Pirates, Rivers Casino, the University of Pittsburgh, Carnegie Mellon University, and Carnegie Museums. Additional nearby points of interest include David L. Lawrence Convention Center, Pittsburgh Public Theater at the O'Reilly Theater, Kennywood Amusement Park. Duquesne University. Robert Morris University is just minutes away from this Pennsylvania hotel. Several medical facilities, including the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center and Allegheny General Hospital, are nearby. This Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania hotel also offers full-service features, including fully equipped kitchens, weekly housekeeping service, free deluxe continental breakfast, free premium cable television with movie channels, free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, an exercise room and a free manager's reception. Business travelers will appreciate modern conveniences provided in the on-site business center like a public computer with internet access, and copy and fax services. All suites include oversized workstations, voicemail and full kitchens that feature refrigerators with freezers, microwaves, dishwashers, 2-burner cooktops, sinks with disposals, dishes, cookware and utensils. Select rooms also have sofa sleepers. Non-smoking rooms are also available. This is a pet-friendly hotel. Fees apply. Coin-operated laundry facilities are located on the premises and valet cleaning service is offered. Ample parking is available and can accommodate most cars, trucks and buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.